Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an overview for the Airplus Memory Comfort Personalized Insoles for comfort, durability, and anti-fatigue while relieving foot pressure. Before we go any further, there's going to be links in the description below for Airplus insoles as well as other insoles on Amazon and Chmelaeon.com. Be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com, guys. We have a ton of different insoles, everything from kids insoles to cushioned insoles, ones that are made out of bamboo pulp, ones for high heels, ones that are just for your heel. So be sure to check us out as well. Now, on that note, I'm going to get straight back into this, but I want to show you what comes up highest on Amazon when I type in the word insoles. Of course, Dr. Scholl's is Amazon choice. There's Timberlands, there's Power Step. All this is going to be... I've also have a review on these custom fit ones. They're not full fit. They're not full foot, though. They're like half your foot, which I thought was pretty okay. I wasn't totally thrilled. They do work, though. Anyway, you get the idea. Links in the description. Now, this Airplus one, I got to tell you, the comfort level on this, when I push my fingers in, it's like a 9. It is so soft. It's like sleeping on one of those... like toppers for a bed where you just throw like a 3-inch thick thing of foam on your bed and it's like sinking into a cloud. It's awesome. They're not really great for shock absorption. If you're doing like crazy stuff like jumping off of fences or something, I wouldn't recommend these. I would go with something like a work one by Airplus. We have another review. But pillow soft, that's an understatement. The Airplus Memory Comfort Insole features responsive memory foam for targeted comfort. The insole molds to your foot, evenly distributing pressure over the surface of the foam, cushioning with every step. It is flexible and compact, fitting most types of shoes or boots. The Memory Comfort insole trims to fit most shoe sizes, creating truly customized relief. Trim to fit, premium memory foam. It's got anti-odor with this Silvadur. And it's got a slim design for compact cushioning. Now, the Airplus promise, they say they will give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. They also promise a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So if this thing rots out or whatever, which I doubt, simply return this product to the address on the package with the original receipt for a full refund. Please allow 8 to 10 weeks for processing. And here is their address and email. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Be sure to check us out today. Links in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, bell, whatever you're into. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.